la mafunzo ya matumizi ya bunduki. Wakati huo wamiliki wa bunduki nchini walikumbushwa kwamba lazima bunduki itumike tu wakati maisha ya mmiliki yamo hatarini. Kinyume na hilo, sheria itachukua mkondo wake.
The aim of such a seminar is to really assess the responsibility that comes around possessing a firearm legally within Kenya. And as we have always advocated, we have advocated for legal and responsible use of firearms. We are not just about shooting, we are not just about shooting competitions or shooting as a sport. We also endeavor to educate our members on what the law provides for as far as justifiable use of their firearms is concerned.
It is not every incident that attracts the use of a firearm. There are cases where there is justified use of a firearm, and that's what we are sensitizing the members about. Some cases require use of a firearm where there is lethal force against the firearm holder, but some cases of necessity do not call for the use of a firearm.
Any licensed gun holder has to be a member of the National Gun Owners Association, and that will allow for self-regulatory culture where they're able to hold accountable all the civilian gun owners in this country.
It's important that we do have peer reviews, that standards are upheld, that indeed there's only justifiable use of weapons in this country. We've already seen the misuse of firearms in situations where a licensed firearm holder has discharged his weapon unlawfully.
Na mtazamaji, je, unajua chama cha wanasheria nchini kimekuwa na viongozi wengi wenye misimamo tofauti? Wengi wao wamekuwa na michango mikubwa kisiasa na kisheria kwa miaka mingi. Hiki hapa ni